This is a Medion monitor. And it does nothing. Once you get it disconnected from the panel, you get the front of it off, you got to disconnect your inverter for your bulbs, and this has a little bit of glue on it, and peel that off. And then you come here, and then you got a few screws here that you got to take off in order to get to your power supply. Once that plate is off, then you have two screws here, and you'll be able to remove your power board. And just got this connector here you just pull up. And as you can see, the 680 microfarad 25 volt, all four of those wash right up. So if you replace that, that'll take care of your problem. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Leave me a comment if it's fixed your problem.